In this video, I'll show you how to send money from PayPal to PayPal without linking a bank account. First, open the PayPal app or website and log in with your email and password. On the home screen, make sure your email is confirmed and that your account has no warnings or limitations, because restrictions can block payments. Next, you'll need a way to fund the payment without a bank. You can use your PayPal balance from money you've already received, or a debit or credit card that you link in the wallet section. Add the card, confirm it if needed, and you're ready to use it as a funding source. Now, go back to the main page and tap Send or Send and Request. Enter the email address or mobile number of the other person's PayPal account and double-check it so the money doesn't go to the wrong user. Type in the amount, choose the currency, then select your PayPal balance or card as the payment method instead of a bank. Review any fees and details on the confirmation screen, and when everything looks correct, tap Send or Confirm. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.